Kickstand power banks are a must-have for anyone who is constantly on the go and needs a reliable source of power for their devices. There are many products available to choose kickstand power banks, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best kickstand power banks from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Wheatla Letter 1D5E1 Letter 1D5F2 Letter 1D604 Magnetic Battery Pack. The Wheatla Magnetic Battery Pack 10,000 mAh is a lightweight and powerful portable charger for iPhone 141e 312 series. With a weight of only 44 lb, this power bank can charge your phone 19 times, keeping you powered all day long. The built-in powerful magnets ensure a secure wireless charging experience, and the foldable kickstand props up your phone for hands-free, easy viewing. The LCD display screen shows the exact percentage of power and status of charging, and the power bank supports both 5W wireless charging and 12W wired charging with cable. With USB-C input and output ports, this wireless power bank is compatible with new iPhones, iPads, and all upcoming USB-C devices. Number 2. JoyGeek Wireless Portable Charger. The JoyGeek Wireless Portable Charger is a 10,000 mAh magnetic power bank that offers fast charging for iPhone 141e 312 series and PD20W Max fast wired charging for daily devices. It boasts nearly a credit card size and lighter than a can of Coca-Cola, making it easy to carry around. The charger always delivers a perfect, precise, and seamless alignment for instant wireless charging the moment it locks onto your iPhone. The kickstand can be folded out to get a perfect viewing angle and keep the moment uninterrupted by piggybacking the power bank on your phone. Plus, the MagSafe battery pack for Apple can charge your devices via the Type-C port. Number 3. Banks Magnetic Power Bank. Stay connected all day long with the Banks MagSafe Power Bank. With a powerful 10,000 mAh capacity, it can charge an iPhone 14 up to 19 times, making it perfect for day trips and outdoor activities. The built-in foldable kickstand allows for hands-free viewing while charging, enhancing your wireless charging experience. The magnetic design ensures a secure and stable connection between your phone and the power bank, eliminating the frustration of slipping or separating during charging. With flexible 2-in-1 charging, you can enjoy hassle-free charging with support for various wireless charging speeds. Plus, the 20W USB-C wired charging option allows for faster speeds when you need to charge up quickly. Get the Banks MagSafe power bank and enjoy all-day power and convenience. Number 4. Acer 5000 mAh Kickstand Wireless Power Bank. The Acer Halolock Mini Kickstand Wireless Power Bank is a MagSafe battery pack with a 5000 mAh capacity that is compatible with iPhone 14 Plus, 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max, and iPhone 312 series. This power bank features a strong magnetic lock with 1000 G of holding force to ensure it stays securely locked onto your phone. The adjustable built-in kickstand transforms your power bank into a stand for video watching or FaceTime on the go. The power button turns off wireless charging so you can keep using the stand while saving your charge for later. With a conveniently located USB-C port and pass-through charging, you can simultaneously charge your phone and the power bank. Number 5. Sanag Portable Charger Power Bank. Introducing the Sanag Portable Charger Power Bank, a versatile and convenient power bank that is perfect for your iPhone 141e 312 series. With its MagSafe wireless charger, you can effortlessly charge your compatible iPhone models with ease. The fast charging capabilities, including 22.5W Max USB PD and 20W USB-C input and output, ensure that your devices are powered up quickly. The LED display light allows you to easily monitor the remaining battery capacity, so you never run out of power unexpectedly. Additionally, the small and slim design of this power bank makes it easy to carry around, and the foldable stand provides the perfect viewing angle for your iPhone. With superior safety features and a 1-year warranty, the Sanag Portable Charger Power Bank is a reliable and convenient charging solution for your devices. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.